these new LED bulbs for my refrigerator. Got them off Amazon. They don't really have a brand name, but I'll put the link in the description to show you which ones I got. Now most appliance bulbs are 40 watt. Straight buying. Here's all my nice food. Here they go. Or here they are. So these are 40 watt, but I want something a bit brighter and a bit cooler temp to make the fridge look more modern. So these bulbs are 6 watt and they're equivalent to a 60 watt incandescent bulb. So let's install these and see the color difference. Now be careful, these are very hot. So here we have the LED bulb in the front and the incandescent bulb in the rear. You can already see how much brighter it is and how much whiter it is. And there you go. Really nice color, much brighter, can see everything a lot better now. So hopefully these last quite a while.